how to add Amazon affiliate link to Shopify. So basically, first of all, you're gonna have to sign up for Amazon Associates, and after that, you're gonna be able to get your affiliate links from Amazon products. Then simply go to your online store. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on customize, and then here you're gonna have to simply go to the landing page wherever you want, and then click on add block. And then here you can simply add whatever block you want. You can also add images. So if you want, you can basically add an image here, and basically you're gonna have to simply select the image, and then you're gonna be able to add a link to it. So you're gonna have to simply click on it. So as you can see here, we have the heading. So here you can simply add a link, and basically that's all you have to do. As you can see here, you have the button, and basically you can set up the link, as you can see right here. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.